In a world obsessed with artificial beauty solutions, a secret is hidden in plain sight, right in your kitchen. Today, we're demonstrating how to make a banana facial at home using simple ingredients from the pantry. Wrinkles, the enemy of age, meet their match in recipes that not only promise but deliver a revival of youthful vigor to your skin. And stick around until the end for a transformative recipe for your skin, combining ancient wisdom with modern science, an anti-aging mixture that could redefine your skincare routine forever. The miracle of bananas and spinach. Let's start with our main ingredient, a banana, peel included. Bananas are amazing for slowing down your skin's aging process and smoothing out those pesky wrinkles. They're fantastic for keeping your skin looking youthful, preventing dryness and flaking. Bananas will leave your skin feeling smooth and velvety, help fade signs of fatigue, and give your skin the nourishment it needs to rejuvenate. So toss a sliced banana into your blender. Remember, peel included. Next up, we're adding spinach. This leafy green is not only good for your gut health but also for your skin. It's packed with water to keep your skin hydrated and glowing. Spinach is also rich in vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production and maintaining skin elasticity. Plus, the vitamin A in spinach is fantastic as an anti-aging agent, helping to protect your skin from wrinkles and fine lines. Okay, so add some spinach to your blender along with 5 tablespoons of raw milk. The magnesium in raw milk is excellent for combating wrinkles and fine lines as it fights off free radicals and stimulates collagen production. Once you've blended these ingredients, pour the mixture into a cup. You've now got a potent anti-aging mixture that rejuvenates and tightens the skin. Apply it to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then rinse it off, first with warm water, then cold. For the best results, use this treatment daily for a week, then 2 to 3 times per week. Ingredients: banana with peel, spinach, raw milk. Benefits: bananas are fantastic for slowing down aging and smoothing wrinkles, while spinach, rich in water, vitamin C, and vitamin A, hydrates the skin, boosts collagen, and fights fine lines. Preparation: blend a banana and spinach with 5 tablespoons of raw milk. Application: apply this potent anti-aging mixture to your face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water followed by cold. For optimal results, use this treatment daily for a week, then 2 to 3 times per week. Did you know that beyond their skin smoothing magic, bananas hide a secret medicinal power? It's a little-known fact that these common fruits are nature's own remedy for boosting serotonin levels, often dubbed the happiness hormone. This natural mood elevator hidden in bananas is a treasure in natural medicine, offering more than just superficial benefits. Cornstarch and vitamin E, a luxurious combination. Let's move on to our second recipe, an anti-aging blend with cornstarch. Cornstarch is often called the best natural alternative to Botox. It's fantastic for speeding up skin regeneration and boosting elastin production. Take 2 tablespoons of your anti-aging blend and mix in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Add a few drops of vitamin E, which is full of antioxidants and helps improve skin circulation. Vitamin E also moisturizes the skin beautifully and helps to smooth out fine lines and wrinkles. Once you've mixed everything well, store your blend in a jar. It will keep in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. This natural blend is wonderful for eliminating wrinkles and tightening the skin. Apply it to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm and then cold water. Use it daily for a week, then 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. If you've enjoyed this video, please like it, leave a comment, and share this recipe with your friends. Ingredients: your anti-aging blend, cornstarch, vitamin E. Benefits: cornstarch boosts skin regeneration and elastin production. Vitamin E, rich in antioxidants, improves skin circulation, moisturizes, and smooths fine lines. Preparation: mix 2 tablespoons of your anti-aging blend with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and a few drops of vitamin E. Application: apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm followed by cold water. Use daily for a week, then 2 to 3 times per week. Beyond thickening sauces and gravies, cornstarch is a champion in home remedies, tackling everything from soothing sunburns to freshening up greasy hair. Its versatility extends beyond our anti-aging recipes, making it a surprisingly valuable asset in your natural wellness toolkit. Oat flour and olive oil. skin's natural elixir. For our third recipe, we'll need 2 tablespoons of our anti-aging blend and 1 teaspoon of oat flour. Oat flour is loaded with vitamin E, which rejuvenates and moisturizes your skin. It also helps to eliminate age spots and evens out your skin tone. Mix it well and then add a teaspoon of olive oil, which is excellent for improving skin elasticity and preventing premature aging. Store this blend in a jar. It will keep in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Apply the mixture to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands, leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off, first with warm and then with cold water. Just like our previous recipes, for optimal results, use it daily for a week and then 2 to 3 times a week. Ingredients: your anti-aging blend, oat flour, olive oil. Benefits: oat flour, rich in vitamin E, rejuvenates and moisturizes the skin, helping to eliminate age spots and even skin tone. Olive oil enhances skin elasticity and prevents premature aging. Preparation: mix 2 tablespoons of your anti-aging blend with 1 teaspoon of oat flour. Then add a teaspoon of olive oil. Storage: keep the mixture in a jar in the refrigerator where it will stay effective for 2 to 3 days. Application: apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands, leaving it on for 20 minutes before rinsing off with warm and then cold water. For best results, use daily for a week, then 2 to 3 times per week. Bonus recipe: gelatin, collagen-rich skin smoother. For our bonus recipe, add a teaspoon of gelatin to 1.5 tablespoons of your anti-aging mix. Gelatin is rich in collagen and can help to smooth facial wrinkles, giving you firmer, plumper skin. It also improves skin firmness and elasticity and can help to prevent stretch marks by promoting additional collagen growth in the skin. The way gelatin functions is by delivering collagen directly to the skin cells, promoting their renewal and strengthening the skin's overall structure. This action not only improves skin firmness and elasticity, but also contributes to preventing stretch marks, as it fosters additional collagen growth deep within the skin layers. Store this mixture in a jar. It will keep in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Apply the mixture to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off first with warm and then with cold water. For optimal results, use it daily for a week and then 2 to 3 times a week. Ingredients: your anti-aging mix, gelatin. Benefits: gelatin is abundant in collagen, which aids in smoothing facial wrinkles, creating firmer and plumper skin. It also enhances skin firmness and elasticity and can help prevent stretch marks by promoting additional collagen growth. Preparation: mix 1.5 tablespoons of your anti-aging mix with 1 teaspoon of gelatin. Storage: store the mixture in a jar. It remains effective in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 days. Application: apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water followed by cold water. For the best results, use daily for 1 week and then 2 to 3 times per week. These natural remedies aren't just for external beauty. They're part of a holistic approach to health that connects what we put on our skin with our overall well-being. By turning to nature's bounty for skincare, we tap into age-old wisdom that sees beauty and health as inseparable. So, as you experiment with these recipes, remember that you're nurturing not just your skin, but your entire self with the healing power of nature. If you've tried any of these recipes or have your own natural skincare secrets, we'd love to hear about them in the comments. Watch this video for more home facial recipes using natural ingredients. And remember, keep embracing the wonders of nature for a healthier, more radiant you.